What is up, guys? I am in Groton, and this is the bottom of a 33-foot whaler that had some damage done, and Spices Marina and I believe another marina fixed the damage. I don't know the full extent of the damage yet, but just the fact that this chine on the keel doesn't look anything like the opposite side tells me that whoever did it has no idea how to fix a boat or a boat of this caliber. And as you can see, there's lots of moisture underneath this paint, and there is cracking. And forward of that, chipping and more cracking everywhere, and moisture and moisture and more moisture coming from this thing. So what's got to be done is this is all going to be ground down entirely. The full length of this has to be ground down and completely exposing whatever is there. Some holes drilled through to let whatever water out, to drain and evaporate. Probably not only underneath here, but also on the sides a bit. Yeah, all the way down the full length of this, there's moisture. I'm sure of it. And that was probably the problem with the prior installations. So not only do the prior installations need to be removed, but a new repair has to be done, and all these holes will have to be glassed and done over as well. Which is quite a big job, actually. I put a couple tarps down, I guess, trying to make a big mess.